mixing soda with coconut is generally not toxic or medically dangerous, but it is a very common trigger for severe stomach pain, cramping, and bloating. While the combination won't poison you, the specific way these two ingredients interact in your digestive tract can cause intense gastrointestinal distress. Why this combination hurts your stomach gas trapping. Soda introduces large amounts of dissolved carbon dioxide gas. When combined with the heavy or fibrous components of coconut, it can trap gas in your stomach, causing sharp cramps and painful bloating. Acid irritation. Carbonated sodas are highly acidic. If you mix them with coconut milk or cream, the high fat content slows down your digestion. This keeps the irritating acids in your stomach much longer, triggering severe acid reflux or heartburn. FODMAP overload. Coconut water and coconut flesh are high in FODMAPs, short-chain carbohydrates. When paired with the high sugar or artificial sweeteners found in soda, it can overwhelm your intestines, drawing in excess water and causing sudden diarrhea. When to seek immediate medical care while a normal stomach ache should pass as your body digests the drink, you should go to a doctor immediately if you experience any of these red flag symptoms. 1. Inability to keep liquids down or persistent vomiting, severe, sharp, or localized abdominal pain that makes it hard to stand up straight, blood in your vomit or black, tarry stools, signs of dehydration, such as severe dizziness, confusion, or lack of urination. How to soothe your stomach right now. If you are currently in pain, avoid taking any more carbonated drinks or heavy foods. Instead, sit upright to alleviate pressure. Take small sips of plain, room temperature water, or try a warm cup of caffeine-free ginger or chamomile tea to naturally relax your intestinal muscles. Although low in calories and sugar, diet soda has no nutritional value. It also contains artificial sweeteners that have been linked to adverse health effects, but research is mixed. The artificial sweeteners found in diet soda might negatively affect your gut microbiome, which is the community of beneficial bacteria in your digestive tract. According to researchers' trusted source, the gut microbiome plays a key role in many aspects of health, including immune function, nutrient absorption, heart health, and more. Aspartame is one of the most common non-nutritive sweeteners in diet soda. One in vitro study of 13 individuals found that aspartame decreased production of butyric acid, a type of short-chain fatty acid. Short-chain fatty acids play a role in preventing inflammatory diseases and regulating body weight. However, more studies are needed to understand how artificial sweeteners and diet soda may affect gut health in humans. Although diet soda doesn't contain sugar like regular soda, it's still highly acidic. One test tube study trusted source found that regular and diet soda significantly affected the surface roughness of tooth enamel, indicating that both can contribute to tooth erosion. Another study suggests that diet drinks slightly increase the risk of dental erosion in U.S. adults, but further research is needed. However, damage to dental enamel from acidity is not the same thing as an increased risk of cavities due to sugar content. A 2020 study trusted source found that diet soda did not promote dental cavities among children. Consuming soda mixed with coconut is not typically dangerous, but it is highly likely to cause stomach pain, gas, or bloating. Why it hurts your stomach. Carbonation. The gas in soda increases stomach pressure, which can trigger bloating, cramping, and acid reflux. Fat plus fructose. If you used heavy coconut milk, the high fat content can be difficult to digest and cause loose stools. The natural sugars, fructose, in coconut can also cause gastrointestinal distress.